Hello my dear students, I am Manoranjan Ray, Director PM Academy Mumbai. Today I am delivering my second lecture on benefits of IAS exam. Generally, dear students, everyone knows, you know, I know, and all the students, even your the parents, they know that IAS is a premier central service in India. It is no doubt a number one job, gives utmost satisfaction to all the candidates. Even those are applying for the civil services, they feel satisfied that actually I am appearing for the civil services exam. Okay, it is no doubt, it is a premier civil service job in India. It is number one. Second thing is that also comes to the mind, most of the students, and even now, even 25 years back when also I was studying in the college, it was coming to the mind that there is politicalization of all the departments. Okay, politicalization means politicalization all the departments. Everywhere you will see the political interference of the ministers. Now, due to the politicalization, can you as a bureaucrat sustain, or can you as a bureaucrat execute the policies or execute that means implement your the power, positions and all these things? Yes, it is possible. That depends upon you, your personality, your courage and all these things. I am giving you one best example for you, that is 10th Election Commissioner of India, Mr. T.N. Session, who was the Tamil Nadu cadre IAS. And when he joined as the Chief Election Commissioner of India, as 10th Chief Election Commissioner of India, so he created an image for the Department of Election Commissioner of India. He cleaned the system, he removed the corruption, he removed the malpractices, and he established a best example in the system of the Election Commissioner of India, and lot of transparency was created in that the department. So it is one of the best example. Besides, so many examples are there, so many bureaucrats are there. They have also set of best examples in their departments, and also they have also set up their departments, and also that has created that means they have contributed a very beautiful system for the strengthening the democracy in India. It is about the one aspect of the civil services. Just I am taking to the other sides of the civil services, how the civil service exam gives the benefits both the successful and unsuccessful candidates. Now, dear students, you see that actual civil service, lot of some lakhs of the students are appearing every year. I am giving you some examples of the last 4 to 5 years. Now, I am giving in 2016 around 11 lakh students appeared, 11 lakh 50,000 students appeared the civil services. They appeared, that means appeared means they applied for the civil services. Sorry, because you see the difference between the applied and appearing of the students. In the 2016, 11 lakhs 36,000 applied for the civil services. Out of that, only the 5 lakh students sat for the exams or appeared for the exams. In the next year, 2017, same thing happened. Around 10 lakh students applied for the civil services and applied, that means appeared how many? 4 lakh 50,000 or 56,000. In the next year, next to next year, that is the 2018, also 11 lakh students, approximately 11 lakh students appeared the civil services, and out of that only 4 lakh 96,000. 11 lakhs applied for the civil services, and 4 lakh 93,000 they appeared, they sat for the exams. In the 2020, I am giving another example, around 10 lakh during the COVID time also, the 10 lakh 40,000 students they appeared, sorry, they applied for the civil services, and how many appeared? That is the 4 lakh 82,000. Now, I am giving you comparison between the two. They are applying and appearing. You see the difference. At least average 10 lakh candidates are applying for the civil services. At the end, how many candidates are appearing? Only the 5 lakhs. Around 50% students are the sitting against the students applying for the exams. Now, if I give the comparisons, how many vacancies remains in the civil services? Only 800, some years 800, 900, maximum to maximum 1000. The vacancies around 800 to 1000. It varies from the year to year. If I give you the comparison, how many students are selected out of that? Out of 5 lakh candidates appeared, out of 10 lakh candidates appearing, only because appearing candidates you will find 0.2 only are the selected. Out of the candidate applying, only 0.1% are the selected, because only maximum 1000 candidates are selected in the civil services. That does not mean that those are not selected in the civil services. Those are not selected in the civil service. That means out of 5 lakh candidates, those who are applying for the civil services, only 1000 are selected. Approximately up to 1000 are selected, and 4,99,000 are not successful or are rejected. You can say once they could not be the successful, so they may feel that actual wastage of the time, that devoting 4-5 years, it is going waste, and they regret for that. Some of the students may go for the depressions, and all these things happens. But dear students, keep in the mind that civil service, appearing the civil service, those who become successful, okay, they will be the bureaucrat, future bureaucrat of our country. Those who could not be successful, don't take it that it is a wastage of the time. Don't. It is my the request to all the students, don't go into the depressions, don't think that actual it is a wastage of your time, don't say that actual don't feel the regret for that actual. This should not also happen, because I just want to say that actuals, due to appearing the civil services, you have put up lot of the efforts, lot of the time, you have read lot of books, magazines, newspapers, you have collected lot of informations about the India, about the world, and all these things. So in this case, what happens, it has widened your the vision, given the strong foundation of your the knowledge, have given the strong foundation of the writing skill, communication skills, and all these things. Many things, multiple things have developed within you, even without your knowledge, because by putting your the effort, by your the sincerity, by your punctuality, by your the devotions, all these things have developed within you. And when you could not be successful, immediately don't feel regret, don't feel that is the loss of time or wastage of time. Don't think in that ways, because we are living in the age of 21st century. We are living in the age of 21st century, where the huge lot of opportunities are available. When you have a knowledge, you have a strong foundation, you have a good communication skill, you have a writing potentiality, so you will be somewhere else. And some of the students who could not be successful in the civil services, they have established very well-known persons, they are very reputed persons in the India. So many examples are there, even after not being successful in the civil services exam. How it became possible? Because having the strong foundations due to the preparation of the civil services exam. So my suggestion is that civil services exam is beneficial to both those are appearing for the civil services, and those are appearing, and all those who are appearing for the civil services, and even those are successful or those are unsuccessful, they will be the bureaucrats. Unsuccessful, they are also, it is highly beneficial to them also, because it has given them very big foundation, strong foundation, good knowledge, good, that means potentiality to, that means establish themselves in the societies. Because I am giving one example, dear students. If you compare yourself as a candidate of the civil service with your colleague, your friend who has not appeared the civil services, you will see the difference between the friends, that actual, because you have appeared the civil services, you have the knowledge, you have the, that means about India, about the world, about politics, about geography, about history, about cultures, about basic, all these things, and impact of the science and technology, about environmental issues, a lot of things you have gathered, that is within you, and where there is a big lack with your the colleague who has not appeared the civil services. So civil services means actual, it is known to everyone that actual only maximum 1000 will be, average 1000 will be selected, and around 4,99,000 will not be selected, or they will be the unsuccessful. It is average for the last so many years. You can also see. So you should not regret, you should not go to depressions, you have not to think in the otherwise. It is my wise advice that actuals you appear the civil services with a plan B. When you could not be the successful in the civil services, you just also plan for plan B, because already by the devotion of the 3-4 years you have developed yourself. Having the plan B in your the hand, immediately within 1 or the 2 years you can, that means you can chalk out, or you can also set a new examples in the society, that means by choosing another career. So this is enough for my today's lecture, dear. So this the civil services is beneficial, civil services exam is beneficial to both the successful as well as the unsuccessful candidates. It is my lecture today. Please share my video and subscribe me, and if anyone having the doubts in your the mind, or doubts for the preparations, or doubt for anything else, for how to apply any angles actually the civil services, you can contact me. My number is, if you want to note down please. I am giving my number 9028127445. Only by this the number you can call me, and WhatsApp number is 8208428538. Once again I am repeating the WhatsApp number. You can call as well as WhatsApp me for the counseling. Through the WhatsApp I can also counsel, I can guide, I can help you for the preparations. My number once again I am also citing, that is 820-842-8538. Thank you, dear student. It is for today. I'll meet you in the third lecture. Thank you very much. Thank you. Have a good day.